Today we're gonna go ahead and test out these bad boys because my video with these JBLs, when I first installed them, somebody was highly upset that I didn't test them out on camera, just because I didn't think that it would sound good. But I got a new mic, and to be honest, I'm so happy that I didn't test them out then. For one, now I've added dynamite mat, or I should say kill mat, to my doors. Oop, ignore that, they're all tore up right now. And then I ordered the MVX baffles, so it's a good thing that I waited. I know that he was pretty upset that I didn't do it, but it's gonna sound a lot better. On top of that, I got a new amp. I don't have the, well, I still have it, but won't have this guy screaming at you anymore. I got a new MVX amp. So, patience is a virtue, man, because had I did it right then, it wouldn't even been at its full potential. Honestly, I have a DSP now. Now you'll be able to hear the full potential of these two. So we'll go ahead and I had to put in the baffles from the MVX stuff. Finish a little bit more kill mat, and then we'll go ahead and test these out. All right, y'all. So, sorry, this jacket's itching my neck. So I went ahead and did the test between the two speakers. I mean, listening back to them, it's kind of hard to tell the difference. I think you could tell a slight difference between them, but to be honest, in my opinion, I'll let you guys listen to it. It's kind of rough because, one, it sounds like they're clipping in the video, and that's just the mic. I mean, I don't have the money for a super high quality mic, so that could be it. And also, there may be a reason why people do not record a whole lot of speaker tests, because it's just hard to hear over a mic versus in person. But in my opinion, the Infinity has the edge over the JBLs. The Infinities are more expensive though. You may be able to get them on sale for the same price as the Infinity references, but the JBLs, they're pretty cheap. They're like $130, I want to say. I got my references for super overpriced. They were like they were like 200 and something actually, but I got them overpriced locally. You could get them way cheaper on Amazon. But even still, they're more expensive than the JBLs, and you get what you pay for. I believe that they can handle bass better, mid bass better. The sound quality is a little bit better, but that's just my opinion. From the videos, you may be able to determine your own opinion. Both of them kind of handle things pretty well, but their specs are honestly almost identical. Like I don't think there's any difference with them at all. They're both 3 ohms. They're both 93 decibel sensitivity. They're both 6.5s, obviously, components. I think the tweeter size is the same size. The frequency range, I think their lowest that they get at, both of them was 53 hertz. And they go up to like 20 kilohertz or something like that. I can't remember, but I mean, they're almost identical, so they're kind of the same speaker in a lot of ways, but the Infinity kind of does handle things, in my opinion, a little bit better. But then again, they are made by pretty much the same company. They're both made by Harman. So but yeah, if you want to save a couple of bucks and get the JBLs, I mean, they're wonderful speakers. They're definitely worth it. I won't say that they're not worth it at all. The Infinities, to me, just seem to handle things a little bit. The Infinities do, when it comes to the tweeters, they seem to be a little more bright than the JBLs. I actually upgraded to the Infinity Kappas, and they are not near as bright as the Infinity references. I'm actually loving these Kappas, and I'll make a comparison video with these, depending on if you guys like this video or not. But yeah, the Infinity's references are just super bright. So yeah, you guys let me know if you guys already have them yourself. Let me know your opinion. Like I said, I'm glad I waited on this because my doors are all sound deadening, sound treated, and I mean, I got this mic, even though it still doesn't sound great. It sounds like it's clipped, even though in person it doesn't sound like they're clipping. It just, I don't know, it's kind of rough over the mic. Maybe I should have played it a little quieter. But, and then I got the MVX doors. I got silicone ones and the foam ones. So I got silicones. I tried them both, but ended up running with the silicone baffles. But yeah, I'm just glad that I waited. I'm glad I didn't do the initial one. Plus I got a DSP, so they're tuned as well. So anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to it. I do it yourself installs surrounding home electronics, car electronics, a lot of light videos. As you see my headliner in the background, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, I have a video for that you can go check out. But yeah, until next time guys.